Paper December 2014, 6B. Draw the isometric view of the given views. So now we have two views, front view and top view, and we have to draw isometric. So what we will do, first we will draw layout or box. Now if you see in this sum, see, now they haven't mentioned origin. So I can take origin here also, I can take origin there also. But I won't be taking origin over there, right? Because if I take origin over here, then majority of the portion will be hidden. No, I won't be able to see the detail. So I will take origin over here. So always remember, whenever origin is not there, we need to take origin in such a fashion that I can see the maximum view, right? And wherever the height is low, generally we take it from that side. So I will take origin over here. Now if you see the lengthwise, then it is 50 plus 15 plus 25 plus 20. So if you add, it will be 110. So we'll take 110 on right hand side of O. Height is how much? 60, right? And width is how much? 20, 20, 20. That is also same, 60. The length is 110. So first we will draw this box. After drawing this box, we'll see front view. Now if you see front view, there are two parts. Part 1, part 2, right? So now if you see this part 1, in top view it is here. See this. And this part 2 is here. So in part 1 and 2, which one is nearer to the observer? See, observer is here, right? So part 1 is nearer to the observer. So first we will draw part 1. So they have given 20 from here and 20 from there. So we'll take 20. Here also we'll take 20. And we'll join this. So this is what we have drawn as part 1. Right? Now if you see this part 1, and then now see, we have a T portion, like see this T part. So then I will draw that part. So what I have to do, how much I have to go behind? I have to go behind by 20. So from here I'll go behind by 20. Then how much is, see this, from here to here is 20. So from here to here is 20. Then how much is from here to here? It is given 25. So we'll take 25. Right? After that, if you see this is 25, then again they have given 15, right? So from here, now see this. From here again I'll take 15. Now if you see the height wise, how much is this height? 10, right? The total height is how much? 60 minus 20, so it will be 40. So we need to go down by 40. So that I can draw. This part. So that part I have drawn, right? Now if you see, this is through and through. So that I can draw through and through. How much is this height? 10. So that I can take 10. Then you go inside by how much? 50. So just draw a line. You mark 50 on this. And then you join this. See this. So from here, how much you have to go inside? 50. So this is what I have drawn as part 2. Now, whatever is there in front, the same thing is behind. Now, how much I have to go behind? 20. So I can take this point behind by 20, I can take this point behind by 20, I can take this point behind by 20, and we'll draw this. See this T portion. Vertical line. Then from here, see this part. So we are done with part 1 and part 2. Once again I'll explain. And now see this part 1. This part is here. right? Part 2, which is behind. How much behind? 20 behind. So I went behind by 20, 20, 20. Then I took this height 10, 10 from here. How much is this? 50. So I took 50 over here. Then they have given 25. So you take 25 from here. And then you join this. Right? And then you take the same thing behind. You go behind by how much? 20, 20, 20 and then join. So we got this required isometric view.